Hello everyone and welcome to SMT Spot. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our ultrasonic plastic welding machine. It is a sophisticated device designed to join thermoplastic materials through the use of high-frequency ultrasonic acoustic vibrations. This machine generates localized heat by emitting ultrasonic waves, which cause the plastic materials to melt and fuse together upon cooling, creating a solid bond without the need for adhesives or external heat sources. Featuring precision energy control, user-friendly interfaces, and automated systems, this welder ensures consistent quality. It's ideal for industries such as automotive, medical device manufacturing, and consumer electronics. Our welding machine has successfully been used in projects involving the assembly of power adapters, electronic parts, new energy battery cover plates, Toshiba toner cartridges, electric toothbrushes, LED lights, cisterns, and oxygen cylinders, providing a clean, efficient, and environmentally friendly solution for diverse industrial needs. Thank you for watching. Interested in our ultrasonic plastic welding machine? Do not hesitate to contact us at support@smtspot.com for